You might miss take y'all in.
Well. Huh? Mm-hmm. I can see pretty good from here. Yeah. Okay.
See my mistake. Now hold it to the floor. Already?
Thank you, baby.
I keep going back before we get back to the kitchen.
That's fine. Come sit.
So me and Sandy's are okay. Me and Sandy's are sharing it.
And the leaking tops over there.
I didn't have one.
Hold on, why that on the grill, bro?
We've already drunk half of it.
Yes, Sandy, honey, you probably don't need to be sitting there, depending on where he comes.
Yeah, he's going to come right through.
Back up.
Now, once you get up, you better stay this way. Don't get against that over there.
Maybe we should get over there. No, we take
If you get in that hole over there, you're in trouble.
Mama, I'll get you a better picture.
Video.
I know that's what I meant. I'll get you a better view.
I'm alright.
I'm smaller. I can take small pictures. Give me such a thing. I only have 3. 4. Have 4. You have 6. I don't care. I'm thirsty. 6. Good price. That's good. It's got jeans like this. It's got jeans like this. It's got holes in the knees. Get over it.
Yes.
What? My nose is itching. Yeah. Just Kayla?
Alright, we gotta go sit down somewhere.
You rode a Willie, Clyde.
But you're on the hole over there. Oh. No more. Hold on, Clyde. Cut it. Cut it, yes, that's on the left. Drive no forward. Slid over it a lot. girls done up like this, just wanted to jump up and get over top. Come on.
Get it?
Yeah, I got the big old edge over here. Yeah, it don't like much coming up and coming. If you can back up, just a hair. Little more. Whoa. Now when you go, you gotta go. Go. Back up to it, just a hair. Go. Yeah, go, I'm gonna get it go.
Back towers ain't letting him go nowhere, are they? Looks like in front ones it's reaching out 2 foot.
That's how easy I come up there.
No, really?
Sure, I had one.
Got her back that way. Reach it out.
Hey, good trip,
Yeah, right. Oh, that's it. Hey, go back off the hole. Great. Back up a little bit. That's right. Almost.